What's up? I'm gonna go grab some stuff. You wanna come along? Let's go. Come on! This is a Kari Starfruit. Very unhealthy root bound. Make a trip with it internationally, and not much we could do besides get more scions off it and graft it into the Starfield, which Starfruit, and up here too, above the row of bananas, there's also Starfruit, 2 row going that way, 2 rows down here going that way. Unfortunately, none of these are grafted yet, so I was hoping this thing would grow faster than it did while I was on my 6-month vacation and before that, but it's not growing so fast. So now I'm going to start taking scions, grafting them onto these other trees, and those ones are going to end up being the ones that we take scions off of to transport to the rest of the plants out here. So, yeah, let's just give this thing a nice haircut. Let's see, this one looks sick. Don't want that anyways. This one looks pretty good. I think that's a scion. This one looks good. That looks like definitely at least 1 scion. Probably 2. Where did I put it? Just take it right at the bottom. Alright, now I'll clean those up, wrap them up. And this guy's not so happy, but he'll survive. Starfruits are strong. Those are the 3 scions I got. Alright, let's go graft them on one of these fine looking root stocks over here. That one's a little too big. I'm gonna graft it. Oh, God. Heck. Alright, here's the first graft. Alright, there we go. 1 graft done. 3 more to go. It's getting buggy out here. Motherfuckers. Ah! Being attacked by bees while grafting now. Fuck. Ah! Fuck, look at this. Fuck, I gotta get out of here. I don't know, I'm mostly sitting on them or something. Fuck. They just keep coming at me. Fuck. Ah. Oh, fuck. Get off me, bro. Get off. You guys, they're just coming everywhere. Ah, scion. Ah. Fuck. Ah. Don't kill the bees. Don't kill the bees. Fuck. Look at them, they're all over my shit. Stingless. Ah, but they bite. Must go on grafting now. Ah. Must go on. Must. Confident with this one because I'm covered with bees. Fucking everywhere. Oh, that hurts when they get my armpits and stuff. But I did it amidst the bee attack. Let's get out of here. Ah! Well, that's almost gone from Germany. It was like, smacked my hand on the trailer of the tractor and it had a big old bloody bruise coming up, and now it's almost gone. Whatever. Bodies die.